Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now the wedding season is upon us, so I thought of doing a haul specially dedicated to the wedding season. Now you guys know I love making such hauls which would cater to your needs. I'm doing this haul specially dedicated to dupattas which are great for wedding season. Now all the dupattas I got are from Myntra and these are really affordable ones. Before we dive into the video, you guys know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also consider following me on my Instagram page. I post a lot of content which are related to my personal style that you wouldn't want to miss. Now let's get started. Now this is the first time on my channel that I'm doing a dupatta haul. I especially love dupattas which are really colorful and screams traditional style, and during the wedding season dupattas play a very crucial role. If you're wearing kurta, or even if you are trying to mix and match up things and wearing fusion wear with maxi skirt as well, you can carry dupattas. So there are so many functions of dupattas and so many ways you can carry dupattas. The list is practically endless. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the first one, and that is this pretty pink one. You guys know I love pink and I definitely had to put something in pink for this haul. I really like how beautiful this one looks, and it has got, as you can see, embroidery in gold all over. It's sort of a sheer dupatta which makes it really classy and pretty. The golden embroidery details over it makes it very attractive. I especially got attracted towards it because of the color. You can wear this dupatta with so many colors. If you're wearing something in red, even in pink, beige, white, this dupatta would look very nice. Even with orange, if you're trying to mix and match up things, then I think it'll look very pretty. I'm so very happy with this purchase. The material is also very nice. It doesn't poke you on the skin, which is a great point because I have had experiences with dupatta which are not so comfortable on the skin, but with this one I'm really happy and I'm so looking forward to wearing this. Now moving on to the next one, and that is this one. How gorgeous is this, right? So if you are planning to wear something which has got a solid color, if you plan to wear something in yellow, even in orange or black or even green, this gorgeous dupatta would look absolutely amazing. I love the work on it. It is very traditional. It actually screams tradition, and I love such gorgeous pieces. These kind of pieces are definitely head turners. You would be definitely ready to take the center stage on wedding functions if you wear this one. I am so very happy with this one. The material is very nice. I got it at such affordable price. I'm so impressed. As I was telling you guys, this can be worn over a lehenga as well. Dupattas are definitely multi-purpose, and yeah, I am very happy with this one. This looks stunning and I would definitely suggest you guys to go ahead and get this one. I think a collection is not complete if you don't have a Banarasi dupatta in your closet, and this one especially stole my heart because of this amazing work all over it. The color, the combination of gold and red especially attracted me towards it. It actually is very beautiful, has got Indian traditional vibes attached to it. It looks very nice, very pretty, and the moment I set my eyes on it, I knew it was coming home. I really like this one, guys. If you have to pick one, I would say go ahead and get this one, and I'm sure you won't regret it. With all these beautiful dupattas, it is actually difficult to choose, but yeah guys, I have found my favorite. This has to be it, and I'm so happy with it. Moving ahead to the next one, and that is this one. Now this also has got a tones of red and gold, because let's face it, Indian weddings are incomplete without touch of gold and red. Really like how this dupatta actually looks on you. Really like the work on it. It has got a modern touch to it, so I really like it. I love the color combination. As I told you guys, can be worn for daily purpose, for office and college as well. This is also very comfortable on the skin. Another piece which would definitely do justice to your dupatta collection. So if you love hoarding dupattas, love collecting dupattas, and love wearing it and styling it, then I think a dupatta like this is a must have. So yeah guys, that was everything I got from Myntra. This was the first time that I've actually done a dupatta haul on my channel on your request, and I really enjoyed today's haul. I actually love each each and every piece, but my favorite has to be the Banarasi dupatta and the pink one. And yeah, I am really happy with the purchase over here. Really like the price point. Let me know your favorite in the comment section, and let me know if you enjoy such hauls. And yeah, I'll be back soon with another one. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.